and welcome to the video review for this Dreo humidifier that works with Alexa and Google Home. And all I have it out set up with is the Dreo app currently. And I'm going to try to keep my... Alright, so you can see it. I'm just going to turn it on. And as you can see, it turns on. It has a color, as like a cool color thing. It's got a beautiful display. It's got all sorts of things you can do from there. Just amazing, honestly. For dehumidifiers. I mean, and the fact that it just starts putting out steam immediately. I mean, like within, like as soon as it turns on. I've never seen that happen before, and it gets so much of it. It's very intuitive. It's very well designed. It puts out a ton of steam. And hold on, let me get this out of the picture real quick. And on the back side, you can see there's a little thing on the bottom, down here, and it's a little pop-out tray. I'll take that out real quick. And you can put essential oils on here for a little aromatherapy as well. And so it's just this really wonderful, wonderful thing. It's by far the best humidifier, that I've ever come across, period. The fact that it's cool and warm and has the display that it has, the fact that it can be used with Alexa. There's another little feature. It can be tilted, as you can see. And one other feature, so when I take this off, you can see it has a handle that you can take this off and you can fill the reservoir in a sink. So, anyways, tons of great features. Really easy to use. The app was incredibly easy to set up. Can't say enough about this one. Hope this helped.